Welcome to English Without Limits. In today's lesson, we will be learning about words that take the place of other words. We call these words pronouns. And we will also be learning about opposites, things that are very different from one another. Things like hot and cold, big and little, thin and fat. Okay, we'll be learning about all these things. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Do you like to travel? Remember, we asked that question in an earlier lesson. Traveling is about transportation. These are the things that help us go someplace new. We go to new places and we meet new people and see new things. Maybe you remember some of the means of transportation that we talked about, like a bus, or a plane, or a car. Maybe you remember some of the other ones that are a little more unusual, things like a helicopter or a space shuttle. Well, maybe you've traveled by some of these things, maybe you haven't traveled by other things. We're going to review these now. I will show you a picture on the screen of one of the different means of transportation. First, you will see it, then you say the name, you speak out the name. If you see a picture of a bus, you would say, bus. I will wait for you to give the answer, then I will give the correct answer. Okay? Are you ready? Let's begin. Tricycle, skateboard, wheelchair, sailboat, bus, truck, train, space shuttle, tricycle, plane, tricycle, walking, skateboard, sailboat, bus, truck, train, tricycle, wagon. If you are a young person, you probably go to school. And maybe you walk to school, maybe you take a car or a bus to go to school. We're going to show you some pictures of different means of transportation, and I will ask you the question, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? And then when you see the picture, you must say, I go to school by, and you give the name of that means of transportation. For example, if we show you a picture of a bicycle, and we ask, how do you go to school? You would answer, I go by bicycle. I go by bicycle. And if you saw something like a train, you would say, I go by train. Are you ready? Let's begin. How do you go to school? I go by bus. How do you go to school? 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 You know that we have different kinds of words in English. Some words refer to a person or a place or a thing. We call these words nouns. A noun can be a person, like this one, or it can be a place, like Paris, or it can be a thing, like a book. These words are called nouns. But there's another kind of word that we put in to take the place of a noun. Sometimes when we're talking, we would have to say the name of the noun, the person, place, or thing, too many times. So we take the noun out and we put in a short, simple word called a pronoun. The pronoun prevents us from too much repetition, saying the same word too many times. It's not pleasant to listen to. So we're going to join the class as they learn about pronouns now. We don't have very many pronouns in English, just a few. So let's join the class now as they begin to learn about them.
And now we are going to do pronouns. So I need 3 people to come up. First of all, what is a pronoun? Have you heard that word before? Pronoun. Wow. Your names are Ninslin, Pladoso, Carolyn, Plados, Pasablut. Okay? So we know that. But sometimes, if I want to talk about Pasablut, I could say Pasablut went to the store, Pasablut bought cheese, Pasablut walked home, Pasablut. You know, that's a lot of Pasablut. Sometimes I take her name out of the sentence. And I just call her she. Pasablut went to the store. She bought cheese. She walked home. Right? Pasablut and she is the same thing. She is a pronoun. We have lots of pronouns in English. So, this is for Pladoso. Can you come up here? And you come stand right here. Perfect. And can you hold your sign just like this? Perfect. Okay. Pasablut is a girl? No. Pasablut is a boy, right? He is a boy, so we use he for him. For Pasablut, I said she. She goes to the store. So can you come stand up here and hold the picture? And we will remember she. She is a pronoun for a girl. But he is a pronoun for a boy. Pasablut or Pladoso went to the store. He bought cheese. He, she, And Carrie Lynn, can you come up, please? Can you hold this? This arrow is pointing to, what's this? It's a, what is this? It's a book, right? Now, is a book a person? No, a book is not a person. It's a thing, right? It's an object. So I can't say he. I can't say she. I say it. Okay? It is a book. It is in my hands. It. So, what was Pasablut? She. Very good. She. He. Excellent, Inslin. And it. Now the last one is for you. You come stand right here. Okay? She has an arrow pointing up. Okay? It points to you. Now, it's not me. That's a good guess. you are talking about yourself, say I. I could say, Miss Holland goes to school. Miss Holland has a family. Miss Holland, Miss Holland, Miss Holland. Or, I have a family. I go to school. So you are I. Okay? So she. What's this one? He.
It's an.
I. One more time.
She. It's an.
Perfect. Now, don't forget, because we're going to play a game. So come sit down. Thank you. Good. Okay. I need one person. Oh, Carolyn, thank you. Okay. All right. Now, I'm going to blindfold you so you can't see. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's do both ways around. Okay, and try to tie in the back. Ooh. Thank you. Can you see?
No.
How many fingers can you see? Nothing? Good. Okay, one more person. Okay, stand here. Can you say hello?
Hello. Hi.
Is she Passablut?
No.
Is she Ninsen?
No.
Who is it?
He.
He? Right. He is
So.
good. Okay. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Is he Pladoso?
No.
Is she Carolyn?
No.
Oh, you are Carolyn. Is she Ninsley?
No.
Who is she?
Possibly.
She is
Possibly.
good. Okay. Thank you very much, Carolyn. You did a good job. All right. So you have he, she, it, and I.
Okay, we're going to practice this a little bit now. We learned the pronouns he, that refers to a boy, and she, that refers to a girl. We also learned the pronoun it, that refers to some object, something, like a book or a pen. There's also the pronoun I, when you're talking about yourself. Now, we want to show you some pictures, but we obviously can't have a picture of every one of you watching this video. So for I, we will use a picture of me pointing to myself. This picture will stand for I. And then we will do a little bit of practice. So we're going to show you a picture. If it's a boy, you would say he. If it's a girl, you would say she. We will show you pictures of different boys and different girls. If it's a picture of a thing, an object, you would say it. And if you see the picture of me pointing to myself, that will be I. Are you ready? Let's begin. He. I.
Do you like carrots? Ooh. Or bananas? Okay. So I'm going to ask Plato, so do you like carrots? Yes? Do you like bananas?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Which do you like more? Which is better?
Banana.
Banana? Okay. Larosa, you are in group banana. You stand here. Nancy, do you like carrots? Do you like bananas? Oh, which is better?
Carrot.
Carrot. She says carrots are better. You are team carrot. Okay. You can hold the carrot. You can hold the banana. Okay, Carolyn, which is better? Banana or carrot?
Carrot.
Okay, you are in team carrot. And do you like carrots or bananas?
Carrots.
Ooh, 3 to 1. Okay, you are in team carrot. Now, I am going to be in team banana. Now, Claroso, we are team banana. We. Who is we? We.
Two.
We is two people. We is Miss Holland and Claroso. I could say Pladoso, Miss Holland, Pladoso, Miss Holland, or I could just say we. It's the same, right? We like bananas, but they like carrots. They. Who is they? Oh, yeah. They is a different group over there. So we could say all the time, Ninslin, Carolyn, Passablut. Ninslin, Carolyn, Passablut. Or we just say they. It's easier, right? They. Okay. Bye-bye. I'm not in your group. Okay? Now I am in your group. We like carrots. We is all of us, yes? But they, ooh, can I say they?
No.
Why not?
You. Only one.
Because it's only one person. If it was 2, 3, 4 people, they like bananas. Very good. So we and they are pronouns. Thank you very much. You can come sit down. And we have one more game. But you need to close your eyes. Don't look. Don't peek. I am going to pick some people. Don't look. So, Pladosa, eyes closed. Very good. Okay, don't open.